All right, so if you're wondering what you get inside the box, so here was the box. And you can see there, that's what we're dealing with. Illume, 24-inch directional linear with USB port. This is the 800 lumens, 12 watts, and a white finish. So there you go. You can see that this one has the optionality of you can be hardwired driver, which you can buy separately, or USB port. So that's interesting. On the back, give you some other information. It says it's linkable, which is good, up to 200 watts. And you can sort of see here, this basic illustration there for how to install it. And over here, it tells you what's included. So just looking at what came from the box, not the screwdriver. Screwdriver's mine, okay? But otherwise, this guy came with it, okay? So you can see there, you've got the instructions, which are pretty simple because it's a pretty simple thing to install. And then you got a cable, and you got these here, little grommets for wiring. And yeah, so let's take a look. So first of all, as you can see, all I did was I unscrewed the little clip on the back here because that was hidden. This part here, I'll show you. See, that just pulls out. But this part here had a plate over it. There's the screw. So that's hence the screwdriver. So all I did was essentially unscrew it. And I'm gonna plug it back in right now, which is simple, very simple. See, very simple. Pushes in. Okay, in. There's two different lights here, so you can see we're going to talk about the different colors, and then there's the super bright, not as bright, or off, and there's your USB port. So pretty cool. Weight, it feels substantial, like it's really well made, so that's really cool. But it also, like, it moves nice. I'm actually super impressed by it. So just going to plug it in here. It's going to unplug. Let's unplug the chrome. Let's plug in the light, coming over to the light, turning it on. So that's on. And you can see there it is, slight delay, and that's normal, and I find it often on these. You can see from the switch here, I'll zoom in there. So you can see the switch, that's in the leftmost position. There's the middle position, there's the right position. So middle, leftmost. So you can see it's like I would call it a warm light, and then sort of a neutral, and then over into cold. I haven't read to see what colors we're dealing with. You know, may very well be written on the box. Yeah, it is 3,000 to 5,000 Kelvin. And I was going to say, this is probably about 3,000. That one is 4,000. That one's 5,000. And I love that feature because sometimes you need different kinds of color light depending on what you're doing. But the other thing is, like, you don't also want all of your other lights in your house to be one color and then this one to be different. That looks super tacky. So anyway, yeah, super helpful. That's with the basic. Then if I go all the way brighter, you can see it got considerably brighter. And then again, the 3 color tones. So I'm more of a warm white kind of guy. I don't know what that says about me, but anyway, there you go. I love this product. I would 100% buy more of these. I'm going to buy more of these. I just turned it off. I'm going to buy more of these. I think they're great for desks. They're great for workshops. Like, there's tons of different things you can do with these. And they use so little power for what they are. Incredible.